I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now search and select HubSpot. To get HubSpot Access Token, please go to your HubSpot account. Go to Settings. Click on Integrations. Click Private Apps. Click on Create a Private App. Give a name of your app. Go to Scope. Click on CRM. Give all these permissions. Click on Create App. Click on Continue Creating. Click on Show Token, then copy. Go to Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorize. Click on Next. Select an action. Now map the respected fields. Here are some advanced features. If you want, you can use them. Click on Next. Click on Finish and Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Let's check our HubSpot account. As you can see, a contact has been created to HubSpot. Thanks for watching.